38 Tracy. Adam William Ida 02 Sam. AWI02S 10 Saturn.
Red DMC, pick up Missouri tag 2, Frank Charles, Edward 84, 2, FC. Yeah.
Please continue. Turn on the north stagecoach. I'm just going to TVI him here in just a second.
Give me a minute. We're on 263.
Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up! Get out of the car. Crawl out of that window right now. Crawl out of the window.
I'd rather go out the passenger side.
Crawl out of that fucking window. I don't care where you want to go. Crawl out of that window. Lay down right here. Lay down right there. Lay down on the ground. I will tase you.
Yeah, I know.
Chains behind your back.
For the record, officer.
Yep.
I was just trying to get home to park my vehicle before you destroyed it.
Does the law say to drive home or does it say to pull over? Second on the rock. TVI 11015. You can throw the net and start 10-11. Are you hurt? Alright. Kick your legs.
No, but come on, man.
Put your legs underneath you. I'll help you sit up.
It's not necessary.
Well, are you drunk?
No.
What's your problem?
I just wanted to get my fucking car home.
Come over here. You have anything illegal on you?
No.
You suspended?
No.
Why would you need to get your car home? Why would I tow your car?
I have bad experience with JPD.
I'm not JPD, brother. I'm Trooper 11th Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm stopping, you got a brake light out, and you also jerked over in the oncoming lane and slammed on your brakes.
Do I have a brake?
You do. We're going to go around the other side. You'll have more room.
Yes, sir. I really hate that you pitted my car.
You had stopped, I wouldn't have.
Yeah, I did that.
Go ahead and grab a seat for me, bud.
Yes, sir.
79 to the right. I'm sorry, we stopped at North Stagecoach and Charles Drive. Yeah. Yeah, if you can make it, that's fine. Yeah, I got you.